Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to PMTC online lecture room. I am Sabah Hafiz. In this lecture, we are going to discuss function. In function, inputs and outputs are related to each other. Function acts as a machine in which we give inputs and as a result we get outputs. Everything around acts as a function. For example, I am speaking. It is an input and you are hearing, that is an output. I am delivering this lecture. This lecture is an input and you are seeing this on your screen, that is an output. Now let us consider if we have x and y be any two sets, a function f from x to y is a rule that assigns every element x of x to a unique y in y. It means that every element of x must have an element in set y. We write it as f from x to y. In notation form, if we apply f on x, we get y. So it can be written as f of x is equal to y or y is equal to f of x. If we give the value of x to function f, we get the value of y. So here x is an input and y is an output. F is the function name. It can be any other name like g, h, and we read it as f of x, not like f into x. This is f of x. Here is a visualization of a function f from a to b. This is the set A and this is the set B. All the elements in set A are called domain and all the elements in set B are called codomain. The element of set A which is connected to the element of set B is basically called pre-image, and the element of set B which has a pre-image is called image. Now what is a range? Range is basically the subset of codomain. All the elements of set B which have pre-image is called range. From this visualization we say that f is a function from set A to set B, so we write it as f of A is equal to B. Functions can be represented graphically in several ways like Venn diagrams, graph, and plot. Now here is the mathematical definition of a function. For all x belongs to x, there exists y belongs to y such that y is equal to f of x. It means that every element has an image, or we can say that every pre-image has an image. And for all x1, x2 belong to x, f of x1 is not equal to f of x2 implies that x1 is not equal to x2. This shows that domain should not repeat. If domain repeats, and so this will not be a function. Now consider this example. This is the function from x to y. This is domain, ABC is the domain and codomain is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now if we want to find the whether it is a function or not, and we are going to find the range. Now first we see that every element of x has some image and the image is 2 and 4 and the pre-image is A, B and C. So this is a function. Now to find the range, we see that only 2 and 4 have pre-images. 1 and 3 do not have any pre-image. It means range is equal to 2, 4. Applying the definition in these examples, we are going to check whether these are functions or not. Now these are the basic example. First set is x, that is A, B, C, and the second set is y, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is domain and this is codomain. Now the first function f is not a function. Why? Because B has no image. The second one G is not a function. Why? Because C has 2 images. It should have only one image. Now H is a function because each element of x has exactly one image. Next is vertical line test. Why do we use vertical line test? It is a test basically used to check whether the graph is a function or not. A set of points in the xy plane is the graph of a function if and only if every vertical line intersects the graph in at most one point. Now I explain it with the help of an example. Consider this graph. This is the graph of an ellipse. Now in this graph, if we draw a vertical line, like this is a vertical line and this vertical line is intersecting the graph at more than one point, that is 2 points. So it means that this is not a function. Now in second example, this is the graph of parabola. If we draw a vertical line at any point, these are 4 vertical lines. If we see this vertical line intersects the graph at only one point, similarly this one and this one is also intersecting the graph at only one point, it means this is the graph of a function. So you can use vertical line test to check whether the function the graph is a function or not. Types of function. Now we are going to discuss types of function like one-to-one, onto, into, and we are also going to discuss bijective function into it. One-to-one function. A function f is one-to-one or injective function if and only if f of x is equal to f of y implies x is equal to y for all x and y in the domain of f. It means that all the elements in the domain of f have different images. Mathematically, if f is a function from a to b, if we want to check it is 1 1, then it will be 1 to 1 only if and only if for all x1 x2 belongs to a, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. This shows that it means that range cannot repeat. Now consider these examples. We are going to check whether these are one-to-one function or not. Now the first example is a function from a to b. We are going to check whether it is one-to-one or not. This is one-to-one because all the elements in a have a different image. Now the second example is not one-to-one because a and b have the same image, that is 3. So it is not one-to-one function because range is repeated. Next is horizontal line test. Horizontal line test is used to check whether the graph is one-to-one function or not. A function y is equal to f of x is one-to-one if and only if no horizontal line intersects the graph of y is equal to f of x in more than one point. Now consider this example of a function y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 7. This is not one-to-one on the real numbers because the line y is equal to 7 intersects the graph at both 0, 7 and 4, 7 points. Now if we draw this horizontal line on this graph, we see that this horizontal line intersects the graph at 2 points, more than 1 point. So it is not a one-to-one function. Onto function. A function f from x to y is onto or surjective if and only if for every element y belongs to y, there is an element x belongs to x with f of x is equal to y. It means that each element in the codomain of f has a pre-image. Mathematical description: f from x to y is onto if and only if for all y there exists some x, that is f of x is equal to y. Now understand it with the help of examples. X set has the elements a, b, c, d and y has 1, 2 and 3. Now this is an onto function y because all the elements in y have a pre-image. Now this one is not onto because one has no pre-image. If one had a pre-image, then it should be onto. Next type is one-to-one correspondence or bijective function. A function f is one-to-one correspondence or bijection if and only if it is both one-to-one and onto. Now if the function is one-to-one as well as onto, we say that the function is bijective function. Now for one-to-one, again repeating, no element in the codomain of F has two or more pre-images, and for onto, each element in the codomain of F has a pre-image. Now in these examples, we are going to check whether the functions are bijective or not. In the first example, the function is not bijective. Why? Because it is not onto. 2 has no pre-image, so it is not onto, it means that it is not bijective. The second one is not bijective function because it is not one-to-one. One has two pre-images. That is why it is not one-to-one, so not bijective. Now the third example is bijective function because each element has one pre-image and every pre-image has a unique image. Fourth example is not bijective function because neither one nor onto. And the last example is not even a function because A has two images, and the property of function is what? Domain should not repeat. Here domain is repeated. Into function. A function f from A to B is said to be into if at least one element of B is not an image of any element of A under F. To check for into function, we can use the criteria as we find the range of the function f. If the range of f is not equal to codomain of f, then we say that the function is into function. Now consider these two examples. We check whether these are into functions or not. A set has the elements 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is domain. And B set has elements 7, 9, 10, 8 and 4. This is codomain. And only 7, 9, 10 and 8 have pre-images. It means that range is 7, 9, 10 and 8. Now the range and codomain are not equal. It means that the function is into function. In the second example, the range is the range is QRST and codomain is PQRST. Codomain and range are not equal. It means this is also an into function. I hope that you have understood the types of function. Now here we have some assignment for you. First of all, in the first question, you have to check whether the functions are onto, one-to-one, both, or neither in all these 6 examples. In question number 2, you have 2 questions. These 2 questions are taken from exercise 1.1 on page number 12. In 9th question, indicate whether each table specifies a function y is equal to f of x, and in question number 10, indicate whether each graph specifies a function y is equal to f of x. In question number 3, apply the horizontal line test to the graphs below to determine if the functions are one-to-one. And in question number 4, use the vertical line test to determine whether the following relations define y as a function of x. Thank you so much for watching the lecture.